guys. Sorry, no. Yesterday was a chit chat vlog. A little update yesterday on my vlogs. But we are getting ready, y'all. I just straightened out my hair. My hair, the shine is insane. But we are going to, I need to go do some grocery shopping. Which, if you know, the way I grocery shop is like sell ads. I'm very religious on that. And stocking up on like pantry items. But I'm keeping it really casual today. Let's see. Like, we're just gonna throw on this shirt. Some boyfriend jeans and some flip-flops, and that is it. Today I want to do a summer ween type thing, so I'm gonna go see what we can find on that, and grocery shopping is first on the list, and then we will go from there. We have this one right here. My belly, when I was pregnant, I had that belly what is it called, belly belt. Hey, mister, are you doing your slick back like your brother? Y'all, I'm keeping it t-shirt vibes because I'm trying to like stop breastfeeding, and if you know, you know the situation on that. So truck today. A little lipstick so I look put together. I don't look todo. Yeah.
Please wipe that.
What? Questions on that? Zane, you look nice like that.
Thank you. Get it.
Sunset blush.
Mommy,
It doesn't taste as bad. I mean, it tastes similar to the other one, but it's 90s.
You weren't born in the 90s, you were born in the 80s.
No, I was not. I was born in 1990. Thank you very much. Get it straight. If you want to come at me, get it right.
Papa was 89?
I was 88.
Your dad was 88, so he's older than I am. Get crunk with me.
Why are you asking that? You dating a 19-year-old?
You plan on dating?
This one don't know how to just sit.
So basically, you're telling me that the Halloween night should not be tonight.
Mom, what do you want?
Basically, y'all are not on the same vibe. Are y'all gonna eat a taco?
Oh, okay, yeah. I'll still eat it too. Mom, I'm so sorry. I'll still eat one.
I'm over here slaving in the kitchen.
I'll eat some. Mom, not with the flour now.
Huh?
Flour.
Yes, flour.
Oh.
One apple taco. Some salsa. McDonald's could never.
The shirt too.
Your jeans, good to go.
Check. Just like a little
My
bit.
front teeth had soap 20 million times. Matthew. And we're gonna get these and make some pickle pops. Right, here he goes. Matthew. I've called you 20 million times.
I heard you put that one over there and I didn't see it.
Mario got this, and yay! I
Watermelon?
think sushi.
Did you?
Yes.
Or
the Lunchable, they even have the nacho Lunchable. That would be fun.
Oh, no sushi?
I think sushi.
Sushi?
It's up to you. Or the poke bowl. Up to you. Whatever floats your boat, my dear.
Huh?
That's boring. That's like pretty basic. What would Elia and Ali get? Sushi.
Lunchable probably too.
That'd be my little treat. All right. Let's try this poppy. It is called Duck Pop. I don't know what flavor that is.
You told me no.
Yeah, every time we come out, it's like I just spin. Ooh. So, can we talk about the fact that I hit a bird and like no one seemed to freak out about it? I am still like, poor thing. That bird was flying high. That bird was on cloud 9.
Was it if you ran over it?
That bird was as happy as can be,
Matthew,
and I
buckle
just
him.
ruined his life. A little Hollyweenie rights. Yo, Mario is so OCD. He got home and was like, babe, I need to cut the grass. Yay! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Baby on the loose. Baby on the loose.
All terrain, baby.
Last weekend I was an amazing wife. Last tournament, I made sure that we all had breakfast and sandwiches. Today I'm making sure we have.
Boys, it worked! I fixed it!
It was user error. Mario had to look the other way.
It's y'all have technical difficulties.
In the place
Hello, you guys.
of my suffering. This is why it's really
Happy.
important that you don't get stuck.
I don't
in
even
suffering.
know if I should say like happy anything because I don't know when these videos are gonna be uploaded. But today is day 2 of Matthew's tournament,
You have
which
already suffered enough.
it's gonna
Don't
be
you allow
intense.
yourself
I
to
already
suffer?
know.
I'm applying this to every type of suffering. Even
But
if your suffering was caused by your sin, you've suffered enough.
I am kind of
Don't
in
you
my
want to learn
feelings
from it?
today.
Claim the blood of Jesus and get
No,
clean?
you watch. Ali, I am so happy for you. With my broken fork. I'm just gonna start because it's hotter today.
Hi, Matthew. You made it. Watch it.
Wait, what? Good, Willie!
Come on, coach! That'll baby, go! Go! You gotta get there!
How much friends?